Number 1. The Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall is one of the world's largest and most renowned shopping and entertainment destinations, situated in the heart of downtown Dubai, UAE. Spanning over 12 million square feet, offering an unparalleled variety of shops, restaurants, attractions like the Dubai Aquarium, Ice Rink, and Dubai Fountain, creating an all-encompassing experience for visitors. The mall boasts over 1,200 shops, featuring a diverse collection of international luxury brands, high-street fashion, electronics, cosmetics, and more. Dubai Mall's Fashion Avenue is a luxurious enclave within the mall, dedicated to high-end fashion brands and designer boutiques. It offers a premium shopping experience with the latest in couture and stylish collections, attracting fashion enthusiasts and luxury shoppers from around the world. Galeries Lafayette is a renowned French department store located in the Dubai Mall. It's a hub of luxury fashion and lifestyle brands, offering a curated selection of designer clothing, accessories, cosmetics, and more. With its elegant ambience and top-tier offerings, Galeries Lafayette is a sought-after destination for upscale shopping and a taste of Parisian style in Dubai. Level Shoes, situated within the Dubai Mall, is a world-renowned shoe destination that showcases an extensive collection of footwear for men, women, and children. With a vast array of luxury brands and designer labels, Level Shoes offers a unique shopping experience for shoe enthusiasts, combining fashion, style, and craftsmanship under one roof. The mall is home to various entertainment options, including the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, a captivating attraction that houses a mesmerizing collection of aquatic life. With a massive viewing panel and an immersive tunnel, visitors can get up close to diverse marine species, including sharks, rays, and colorful fish. The Underwater Zoo complements the experience by showcasing unique ecosystems and engaging interactive displays. The Dubai Mall Ice Rink is an exhilarating recreational spot where visitors can enjoy ice skating in a full-sized Olympic rink. Open to skaters of all levels, it offers a fun and energetic atmosphere with skating sessions, lessons, and even exciting events, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking icy entertainment. The Dubai Mall waterfalls are captivating architectural features within the mall, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and providing a tranquil ambience. The waterfalls, including the iconic Human Waterfall and the Grand Waterfall, are beautifully designed cascades that contribute to the overall sensory experience of shopping and leisure at the Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall's Chinatown is a newly opened vibrant and culturally rich destination within the mall that offers visitors a taste of Chinese heritage and cuisine. Upon entering Chinatown, you are greeted by decorative arches adorned with traditional Chinese motifs, creating a visually captivating atmosphere. Number 2. Mall of the Emirates. Mall of the Emirates is a renowned shopping and entertainment destination located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Opened in 2005, it is one of the largest and most iconic shopping malls in the world. Situated in the heart of Dubai, the mall spans over 2.4 million square feet of retail space and offers a diverse range of experiences for visitors. Mall of the Emirates boasts an extensive collection of luxury and high-end fashion brands, making it a paradise for fashion enthusiasts. The Fashion Dome, a striking glass-domed area within the mall, is home to many international luxury boutiques. In addition to fashion, the mall offers a wide array of shopping options including electronics, home goods, cosmetics, and more. Ski Dubai, nestled within the iconic Mall of the Emirates in Dubai, is a groundbreaking indoor ski resort that redefines the concept of entertainment and recreation. This extraordinary attraction, introduced in 2005, brings the surreal experience of winter sports to the heart of the desert city, providing an immersive alpine environment that captivates the imagination of visitors from around the world. Spanning an impressive 22,500 square meters, Ski Dubai offers a variety of snow-based activities across its 5 distinct slopes, each catering to different skill levels. From beginners to seasoned snow enthusiasts, visitors can partake in skiing, snowboarding, and tobogganing, all against the backdrop of meticulously crafted snowy landscapes. The snow quality, temperature, and conditions replicate those of a natural ski resort, creating a remarkably authentic environment that is as enjoyable for novices as it is for experts. The piece de resistance of Ski Dubai is its remarkable main slope, which stands as the first indoor black diamond run in the world. Its challenging terrain and exhilarating descent provide an adrenaline-pumping experience that rivals the most renowned outdoor ski destinations. Additionally, the resort features a freestyle zone, complete with jumps, rails, and boxes, for those seeking to showcase their snowboarding skills. Beyond the slopes, Ski Dubai offers an enchanting snow park, a whimsical winter wonderland that transports visitors to a magical realm of ice and snow. Here, families can build snowmen, engage in snowball fights, explore ice caves, and even interact with friendly penguins, a rare and unforgettable experience that truly sets Ski Dubai apart. Number 3. Dubai Hills Mall. Dubai Hills Mall is an exciting and anticipated retail and leisure destination situated within the Dubai Hills Estate, a sprawling integrated community in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Expected to be one of the largest malls in the region upon completion, Dubai Hills Mall is set to offer an unparalleled shopping and entertainment experience. This sprawling mall is designed to reflect modern architectural aesthetics while embracing the natural beauty of its surroundings. Boasting a vast retail space, Dubai Hills Mall will house an extensive collection of high-end fashion brands, global retailers, and specialty stores, making it a haven for fashion enthusiasts and shoppers seeking diverse options. Beyond its shopping offerings, the mall is set to provide a wide range of entertainment and leisure experiences. With a focus on family-friendly attractions, Dubai Hills Mall is expected to feature a multiplex cinema, a dedicated area for children's play zones, and various entertainment venues to cater to visitors of all ages. Moreover, its thoughtfully designed layout will include inviting spaces for socializing, relaxation, and enjoying leisurely activities. Dubai Hills Mall's strategic location within the Dubai Hills Estate, which is known for its lush green spaces, parks, and community amenities, ensures that visitors will be able to seamlessly transition from shopping to outdoor activities and recreation. Additionally, its accessibility from major roads and convenient connectivity will make it easily reachable for both residents and tourists. As Dubai Hills Mall continues to develop, it is anticipated to become a hub of lifestyle experiences, serving as a central meeting point for the community and an exciting destination for visitors. Its integration of retail, entertainment, and leisure elements within the context of a thriving residential community reflects Dubai's commitment to creating holistic and immersive destinations that cater to modern lifestyles. Number 4. Ibn Battuta Mall. Ibn Battuta Mall, located in Dubai, is a captivating shopping destination inspired by the legendary 14th-century Moroccan explorer, Ibn Battuta. Opened in 2005, the mall pays homage to his travels through 6 distinct courts, each representing a different region he visited: China, India, Persia, Egypt, Tunisia, and Andalusia. This thematic design creates a truly unique shopping experience, immersing visitors in the rich cultural and architectural heritage of these regions. The China Court reflects the elegance of Chinese architecture, featuring ornate designs and intricate details reminiscent of ancient Chinese dynasties. Moving on, the India Court captures the vibrancy of Indian culture with its colorful displays and traditional motifs. The Persia Court showcases the opulence of Persian architecture, displaying exquisite mosaics and intricate patterns that hark back to the grandeur of the Safavid era. Continuing the journey, the Egypt Court transports visitors to the world of the pharaohs, with its pyramid-inspired design and statues reminiscent of ancient Egyptian culture. The Tunisia Court offers a glimpse into the beauty of North African architecture, evoking the charm of Tunisian markets and courtyards. Lastly, the Andalusia Court pays homage to the cultural fusion of Spain's Moorish past, with stunning architectural elements reminiscent of Alhambra. Beyond its thematic courts, Ibn Battuta Mall boasts a diverse array of retail outlets, from international fashion brands to specialty stores, catering to a wide range of preferences. The mall's spacious layout and carefully designed courtyards create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere for shoppers. Additionally, the mall offers various dining options, from casual eateries to upscale restaurants, serving cuisines from around the world. With its unique design, blend of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences, Ibn Battuta Mall stands as a testament to Dubai's commitment to innovation and creativity in the realm of shopping destinations. Its incorporation of history and culture into the shopping experience makes it a captivating place to explore and enjoy. Number 5. Dubai Marina Mall. Dubai Marina Mall stands as a modern and stylish shopping and leisure destination nestled within the picturesque Dubai Marina district, one of Dubai's most sought-after residential and entertainment hubs. This contemporary mall seamlessly integrates shopping, dining, and entertainment within a stunning waterfront setting, making it a favorite among both residents and visitors. Designed to complement the surrounding urban landscape, Dubai Marina Mall's architecture features sleek lines and a sophisticated aesthetic. Its strategic location along the marina's waterway offers visitors breathtaking views of the surrounding skyscrapers, luxury yachts, and the tranquil waters, creating a serene ambience that sets it apart from traditional shopping centers. The mall offers an extensive selection of international and regional brands, encompassing fashion, accessories, electronics, home goods, and more. Its diverse range of boutiques and stores caters to different tastes and preferences, making it a shopping haven for fashion enthusiasts and discerning shoppers. Dining at Dubai Marina Mall is a delightful experience, with a wide range of eateries offering various cuisines from around the world. Visitors can indulge in both casual dining options and upscale restaurants, all while enjoying views of the marina and a vibrant atmosphere. What truly distinguishes Dubai Marina Mall is its unique waterfront promenade, which invites visitors to stroll along the marina's edge, take in the scenic beauty, and even enjoy alfresco dining. The mall's open-air areas and shaded walkways provide a refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle, allowing for relaxation and leisure in a picturesque setting. In addition to shopping and dining, Dubai Marina Mall offers entertainment options to enhance the visitor experience. The mall features a multiplex cinema for movie enthusiasts and a range of family-friendly activities, making it an ideal destination for a day of exploration and enjoyment with loved ones. Dubai Marina Mall's prime location within the thriving Dubai Marina district ensures easy accessibility for both residents and tourists.